Hello, this is Andy, and this is another Festool experience, and we got sander, orbital sander LHS2225, long reach sander. It has, it's not new, it has 8 hours of work on it. I know it because you can hook up your phone to it. It has a Bluetooth, and you can see pretty much everything. 8 hours is not too bad. The disc looks like new, and the first impression is that it's really light, very light. Comes in 3 different pieces. There we go. It's in 3 different pieces. So this is the extension. No, 2 feet, 20 inches. Look at this. Has LED lights. You can sand in darkness. Really nice. You can use it with the extension or without. Assembling it is a swift. That's it. It's locked and it's not going anywhere. Check it out. Very nice. I like it already. You can hook up your hose for the vacuum, and the vacuum does really nice job. What else? We got a couple of spare discs. And they're really good quality. Really nice. You can adjust your speed, and this is the Wi-Fi I was talking about. Light on, off. EC Tech brushless. Oh, brushless. I like that it's brushless because the sparks are not coming out from it. I have a drill or 1 or 2 drills that are still brushed, and the sparks are coming out from it. I don't really like it, but This one is brushless. I like that. Very, very light. I mean, it looks good, feels good, fits nice in the box. Very light, and does a really, really nice job sanding. And you can reach, you can reach 8, 9, 10-foot ceilings, I think, just from the floor. Maybe more. And it came with a vacuum also. High quality. High quality. This is a sander from another level. It's like I was saying that oscillating tool is like a mother of all oscillating tools, you know, like a queen. And same thing here. I have not seen a better one. It's really nice. I really like it. Kinda speechless here. It feels so nice, like it's designed. Oh, wow. It's like so precise. Precision is very impressive. You know, it's like Swiss clock. If you like Swiss watches, if you have Rolex watch, I don't, but this is the Rolex of sanders, of sanding machines, drywall sanding machines, right? This is a real deal. I'm not promoting or selling, none of that. I just really like it, and I wanted to share my experience, my impression. But that's about it. I can tell that the machine is really well made. Comes in a nice box. Just the box itself looks really nice, to be honest. Kind of bulky with a vacuum, you know. But I think it filters maybe 95% of dust. Maybe 92. I'm impressed. Really, really impressed. Okay. Goodbye, and please subscribe. We are new to this channel. And hopefully with your help we can get a better equipment and better quality videos. Thank you. Goodbye.